should be good. Maybe I should just quick go here though to make sure I don't leak anything. This stuff's all good. Okay, should be good here. Okay. Yo, what's up, Kenjin? Oh, that's a cool emote. I never even knew that one. That's funny. What's up, Oscar? You are fast, Kenton. That was really speedy. Rocky, hello, hello. Coding with Cypher, hello. 2 first-time chatters right in a row. What's up? How'd you get here so quickly if you're a first-time chatter? RZK Sobi. Is it F5 time? So most of that work's actually already done, Oscar. I'm trying to figure out actually how to package this up correctly. What I'd like to do is well, basically here maybe I should just show this. Alright, so let me think about it. Languages, parsers. So we've got, for example, some sub-modules here. This got it. Very cool, Cypher. Very cool. This is a tree sitter parser. I need to use it in this project. When I do that, though, I need to be able to properly bundle that tree sitter parser with it. So I looked into some ways that Helix was doing this, but it doesn't really like bundle it necessarily. It's just like it just kind of keeps it around on the file system, but I'd like to include it. I actually don't know how to do that. Maybe what I need is actually this parse the file's expression or item according to context relative to the current file. The private fastest interpretive platform is a way to compile time. With a Windows backslash would not compile correctly on Unix. Using the micro often a bad idea, KW. That's how I like to start off the stream. Am I right? What could go wrong there, huh? So fortunately, I don't plan on running this on Windows. So that's good. So that part's good. So it could be worse, right? It could be worse. So there is this let's just open this in a new tab here as well. Everyone has a go ground for the tree sitter parsing library to use this crate after the penalty pro to pommel. That's actually not what I want to do, though. Can't I, like, I don't actually want to do that like this. I actually want to link it directly against the FFI that I'm going to generate. Yo, what's up, Chrysalis? But kind of what I really want to do is, I don't know how I would actually want to do this. Can't stay. Hey, thanks, Ashburn. Good to see you. So that's the part that I'm not really sure how I want to do this. Because eventually what this does is this generates a shared library. So like, can I include shared library in Rust executable? I don't actually want it to be on the... I want to actually like include this. Hey, thanks, Ashburn. Because what do we do here? We compile this. Then we basically compile this thing and then we get something out here, right? So languages parse or in libraries, and we get go.so, right? So it's just some binary. Can I not like include those bytes and then load it as a library or something? That's what I actually want to do. That would be the really nice thing. Because I want it to just basically die during compilation if I can't actually parse and load these. But I don't actually know how to. I don't know how to actually do that. Because this is just a shared library. So how do I guess maybe I should just look up how do you load a shared library Rust. Let's see. Yeah, that makes sense. Lib loading. Yeah, so I actually already have this crate because I copied some stuff from Helix. Loading library new. So the thing is, what I'd like to do is instead of like loading it from some path, I'd like to load it from like just from some bytes. But that doesn't seem supported. So it's like you can only do this from having some file. Where's loaded? So I don't know what that actually does, you know? Because this ends up being used in, no, SG tree sitter here. Library new. Oh, library new. Library open. I just don't think that that's possible. Yeah, I suppose that makes sense. I don't think you can do that even in C, right? Yeah, I have no idea, KD. I don't know. I guess I just don't understand what's the difference between I've got a bunch of bytes or I've got a file. Does that make sense? Like, that's the part that I don't really super... I could just be dumb. It's like, maybe I'm just... Do I need to start thinking a lot harder? Or... I just don't... I don't know. I thought everything was bytes, but maybe it's not all bytes? I don't know. It's a shocking revelation for me. Oh, man. Oh, wait, I actually do. 1 sec. Let me go back to the metaverse. 1 second, chat. I forgot to do something before I dox myself on stream. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, so that's always nose lag notification of the stream. Actually, you can't even hear anything from this computer at all. I actually have this whole computer muted right now. You're hearing it from my other computer, from my music. I've got all sorts of new powers. All sorts of new powers, Oscar. It doesn't really seem like this is possible. It doesn't seem like what I'm doing there is possible, but that could still be okay. So possibly. Oh, DL open from memory. That's funny. That's pretty funny. Okay. You're allowed to stream your work. Not only am I allowed to stream my work, but if you wanted to... Well, wait. Where is my... If I could spell highlighting, we'd be able to find this. You can just straight up look at my PR right now if you want. I'll pin this over here so I've got it for later. I think that you usually load the shared library. There's maybe some way to load random bytes. So I'm okay with... Okay, so that's my other question. I actually don't care when I generate this shared library in build.rs. Is there some way... I have a build already. So I've got this shared library over here. I've got a shared library now. Can I generate some symbol from here that I can include somewhere else that has the library loaded? See, do I live? Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's probably a terrible way to say this. Okay, here's what I want, KD. Okay, here's what I want. I'll show you what I want. I'm taking a tree sitter parser, which is just a basically random Git repo, right? I've got those as submodules. I'm going to build them to generate the corresponding C API stuff that can generate a tree sitter language. Okay, so I already have that part working. My concern is, though, I have to like look up where the shared library is at runtime currently, because I don't know how to link these correctly or something. So what I would like to do is, instead of calling git language go or something like that, I would like to have something that's just like include library from tree sitter, I don't know the name, go, or something like this, okay? And this just does what this code does here, but not like at runtime, during the building time. I don't know if that makes sense. So I just want to basically be able to say, build objects go, and it returns to me that library. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Does that make sense? So like I've got a build rs that already does this. It walks the directory tree, it correctly builds these, and out here I've got parsers, no, libraries. I've got this go.so. This is the shared library that loads the Go language. So I basically just want some way to put this inside of the executable. I don't know if that's the right word at all. Because I'm just worried about this not existing for somebody, and then it tries to load, and then we panics. Now this could be just a moot worry, because I'm the only person that's going to run the code, and it's going to go in a Docker image, and then the Docker image is going to run. I think, yes, I think I want to statically link that. Sure. Yeah, that seems like a reasonable way to say that. It's different from the lib output type. Dynamic library generation. Static lib. A static system library produces this different from other library outputs. The compiler never attempt to link to static lib outputs. First, static library contains all of the traits code. Interesting. Maybe this is what I want. Dynamic system library will be produced. This is used when creating a dynamic library loaded from another language. Yeah, you should ask Justin. There's 3 things you can do. At compile time, find the symbols and link with the library. While the binary is launched before execution time, the library is loaded, or 3, loading at runtime. How would I do number 1, KD? I'm currently doing basically number 3. It's in between 2 and 3, kind of. Actually, maybe it's kind of 2, because it's like a lazy static, and it happens happens right away, I think. So it's kind of number 2. I don't like number 3 at all. I think I'm doing basically number 2 right now, I would say. I would like to do number 1. But I don't know how to. By the way, Chad, I got another good tweet for us today. I felt this one was another solid one. I think the general procedure is add them to the linker path and build.rs, create extra and C decals for the symbols, and then do something with compilation parameters stack the link. Okay, interesting. I don't know how to do any of that, but we can figure it out today. If you use DL open, it is number 3. I don't know what lazy tag is. For number 1, you'll need to use extra and C plus unsafe. Extra and C plus unsafe is fine because that's what we already do, basically. Like, that is the recommended way to do tree sitter loading, as far as I can tell. Chat, thoughts? What could we have done to make this better, or is it just the perfect meme? Hmm? Anyways, no thoughts from chat, I guess. Whatever. That's fine. Frost, 6 months. Okay. Okay, tweeted. We'll see what Justin says. Oh my goodness. If you tagged me. If Justin replies to this, I'll be mad. Okay. All right, so Oscar's right. So general procedure, add them to the linker path in build.rs. Create extern C decals. Extern C decals. Where do I create the extern C declarations, Oscar? Betty's thinking, oh, dang. Any source file. Woman thinking of other woman not sleeping meme generator. I bet he is thinking about making another Rust meme. Yes. Oh, dang it, chat. Oh, man. Forgot to hashtag memes, hashtag rush, hashtag safe. This song is Brighton Nights by Cloud None. What's up, Connie? Oh, man. Okay. Childs, that inspired me. That inspired me. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, compile a C brown while setting custom find. It's simple. It says right here, it's simple. Added hashtags. Oh, thanks, Liver. Kids are wondering why I'm laughing out loud. The saga continues. The saga continues, chat. Oh, I should have added. Okay, so, chat, I forgot to do it because I was so excited on stream. In general, though, I always try and add alt text to describe the memes. That's also its own little story. I forgot to do it for this one because I was too excited to tweet this. Can you read this? For some reason, this isn't really zooming in very much. A woman wonders if her husband is thinking of another woman. While he is thinking of the love of his life, it is Rust, not another woman, at the center of his thoughts. The section is for custom defines. The previous section is as irrelevant. I always try and add alt text. That's its own whole meme story. I feel like XKCD when I add these, honestly. It makes me feel like just next level memer. Oh man. Hashtag memes, hashtag hashtag safe. True. True. Okay. All right. Simple. Oh, so I should be reading. Should I be reading this versioning one? No, I don't think so. Build time tooling. Oh, I see. I'll just read this whole... I'm going to read this whole thing. To accommodate scenarios where additional C, C++ assembly is required for project, the CC Crate offers a simple API for compiling bundled static libraries. Yep. Okay, cool. One example has some bundled C code that will be used from Rust. Before compiling Rust source code, the build file, build.rs, specified in the cargo toml. Using the CC Crate, static library file will be produced. libhello.a. Okay. Used from Rust by declaring the external function signatures in an extern block. Okay. I have seen this before. Have they sped up cargo yet? Build times? Yeah, it was, the solution was you just buy faster computers is what I heard. Mm-hmm. Okay, I got you. Okay, I am interested though in general, just like this whole thing. But so what we could do instead, KD, is I should be able to do something like extern, and then I can say something like language free sitter go language something like this. I don't know what I actually need to put here. Extern, how do I put, extern C, okay. I don't actually know what, bindings, Rust. It should look something like this, basically. Oh, whoops, this should be in, tree sitter lib. Like, I should be able to do this. Rust 2 say PC can handle a virus. True. So language is tree sitter language. It is an FFI shenanigans here. So then what I could hopefully do then is I should be able to say something like free sitter go. Like this. Rustafarian, hello. Call to unsafe function block. Okay, so how can I make this safe? It's extern, not extern C. Foo. Oh, okay. Yep. Oh, wait, it just added it back for me, though. I saved it and I put it back. I don't understand. I'm on N 0.7. Need to unsafe it. Can I make it safe? Fun language. Go. Language. Wait, can I really just hide unsafe blocks inside here like this? I like that. I think that's a bit funny. So now it's safe. Okay? I think it's probably not required or something like that. Call to unsafe function. I don't understand. Thought if it's unsafe, you monster. Freeze it or go. How do I make it safe? How many more times do I have to do? If I double unsafe it, does it become safe? Like, is Rust the double negatives, or is double negative still negative in Rust? How does that sort of situation go there? Anyone know? What's up, Danny? Air somewhere else? Cargo check. 141. No, it really doesn't like that this is here. Oh, wait. Let's, oh, I did the wrong one. I'm just dumb. You're totally right. It was just further down. Maybe it's very unsafe. That's just very unsafe. Okay, cool. Well, this is a good error message. So I'm glad that I can understand what's happening here. I'd say that looks readable. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I'd say, yeah, I'm pretty much there now. Okay, so I think I know why this doesn't work. Now I had Nick's bath, and it goes... Oh, man. Okay, so this is fine, though, because this is basically saying I don't know how to link this to here, which is okay. That's all right. That's all right that it doesn't know, because I didn't tell it yet how to actually link to this thing. That's the next part in this stuff here, right? I still need to tell it where to link to this. All right, catch you later, liver. I'm pretty sure that's the problem here. Because this is compiled somewhere else. So I basically need some way to tell it where to include this thing. I'm pretty sure. Linking to bundled is very similar. Okay, I don't care about the difference between C and C++. Mine's just C, so that's okay. LSC library while setting custom defines. Well, that's pretty fancy. So I'm pretty sure, because I was reading about this earlier today. It's probably not this one. Great meme. Thanks, chat. I don't think it's this one either. Don't think it's that. Don't think it's that. We might need this later. I think I need this. I think I need one of these commands here. Where's this list of cargo things I can omit? Rust link lib adds a library to link. I think I need to do this guy here. Hey, Yagua, what's up? Good to see you. Sorry, responding to work. I am at my job right now, chat, so. Are you using bind gen? Currently, I'm using nothing, KD. I'm using nothing. Ooh, Chrysalis, that's tough, bud. Let's close out a few of these because I got too much stuff inside here. Rust link lib. Work. Yeah, believe it or not, Connie, I'm not currently on vacation today. I was thinking about maybe using this. I don't think we'll need to do that. I don't think we're going to do this or this. Okay. Love to get a job where I tweet Rust memes. That's a cool idea. New York, I ended up creating a server. Oh, server or Semver? Workflow. Should I be using bind gen? I don't know what that is. Bind gen Rust. I just Rust F5 on C++ libraries. I don't think that's what I actually want to do. I don't think that's what I want to do. I already have a library that works with Rustland. Connie, are you admitting that you're using PHP 5? Careful, buddy. Build their main. Okay, so now I've got all of these. Stables in the Rust C book look good. Okay. Code generation, that's not what I want to do. Yep, okay, so I can build these. I don't know what this is. Link search native equals this. So I think I do need to do something like this. Number of packages to make the sort test much easier, portable, and standardized. Let's try CC crate. Just added to build dependencies. Okay, I've already done that. Compile. Okay, I actually already have this. I already have this. Rerun if changed. I'm in build right now. Oh, we actually, for some reason, this is already done. I think we could probably switch to using this, so that would be something to do. We should be able to try this guy. Switch to doing something like this. Yep. So that's one part, and we can get rid of some of this logic, I think, here. It invokes the appropriate compiler. Yep. It takes the target. Other top-level debugger all handled automatically. Here we can start doing this. So okay. Got this. Extern. Hello. We're delegating the responsibility to select a link over to the build script rather than hard coding it in the source file. Okay. That seems weird though, because is this really all I have to do? So this links to hello. That just seems unlikely. Oh, I need this, you're saying? This is build.rs. Also rewrite the build script to use this. CC build new file compile. So they're doing this with, CC build new. Why do they have false compiler? Make that new command. What are they even using this config for? Config.compile. Oh, see, that seems kind of weird, doesn't it? Shouldn't I try and do this instead? And, like, link it directly here? So, just for understanding, I copied this from Helix. Because it's the coolest editor, obviously. It's in Rust. Okay. Yeah, I'm down to try what you just typed, KD. That makes sense? Obersatch. I haven't seen him contribute to here in a while, though. I think he's just busy. At least that's what I tell myself. Dilib equals. I say tree sitter go. Can I link a path here like this? Languages, libraries, go.so. Can I do this? Except I actually know what the output is. Header path, library path. Because we strip off all of the header path, parser path, scanner path, parser of the path, library path. To link to the library name, you have to specify the path separately. Okay. So that should be something like language. I think that's just language, probably. Is this dumb? How am I supposed to do this? Actually, the print line format. I don't even know what I'm doing. Man. Rust C link search. Oh, duh. What am I doing? Thank you. What? My first day. Okay. Rust C linked search. Okay. Native. Blah 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 slash lib. Can I just say this? It's just gonna be in languages. Libraries. Pretty sure. Languages, libraries. Okay. Dang, I thought we were getting closer. Remove build.display. Yep. We might still be getting closer, though. Rocker, this one isn't on latest yet. I have to update that, but I figured I'd do that in a different day. This is a lot of text here. Cargo C, Rust C, link dash search, native equals, languages slash libraries. Languages. McFarland is longer than the code feels bad, man. True. Note. Alright, what does it say? Note. Syntax R, libsg syntax rlib. Undefined reference tree or go. Okay. Language, libraries. Let's make sure we typed everything correctly. Right, so languages, libraries. Okay, so that part's good. Cargo. Can I do just lib here and then will it just wait, that part worked? That shouldn't work. Okay, that's what I thought. I'm find a reference to trees that are go. Oh, wait a second. Tree sitter go. No, these are... Okay, this part should be good. Okay, no, those should be fine. Your library name is go. Yes, I thought that's what language is. But your language variable contains tree sitter go. Oh! Let's just say go here. It's the only one that I'm doing right now anyways. SG trees are undefined reference to. Alright, let's see. Link search. Native equals outer. Link. Lib static. Do I need to say static instead? No, because this is like this, right? Okay. There are functional trees that are go in the shared library. There should be. Yes. There should be. That's like the whole purpose. NM. Languages, libraries, go.so. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, so we're successfully doing that part. Link lib. What are my options for link lib? Rust C link lib. I think isn't this where I just was? Okay. Kind optionally kind equals name. Can I just remove kind? What if I just remove dilib? But I just always make this return true right now as well, just in case. Cannot find -l go. Okay. Dilib equals. Okay, yeah. Tree sitter. Let's also, well, we can just comment all this stuff out for a sec as well. These things don't need to exist. It keeps on coming back, so we can do this, but I'll no auto, right? Okay. Okay, it didn't like that. Well, right now it says that it can't find go. Remove this whole block. Okay. Languages, libraries. Okay, so we still have this. We still have tree sitter go. Are we linking Rust with C with Go? No. We're not linking any Go. We have a library that generates a tree sitter function Go. You know how tree sitter works before. I want to test just compilation leave. So remove all uses of tree sitter Go. Okay. Can do, boss. Okay. I really wish that it didn't do all of this for me. Cannot find library go. We've got some warnings. Okay. Let's go back to build. Right, wasn't it dilib? Or was it? Yes, right, okay, so that makes sense. Link arg, link lib for custom CD libraries. Link lib stock hard link using compilers-alpha. This typically used to link to a native library. -alpha only name. Okay. Yeah, okay, sure. Libraries or languages, libraries, go. Or let's copy it. Languages, libraries, go to languages, libraries, lib go. Connie. Someone donate to this man's GitHub sponsors. Connie, you rascal. Hot diggity dog. Oh, libgo cannot open shared. Will rip. Uh-oh. Let's move this over here so we don't have so much wrapping. It's not statically linked yet. It's not statically linked yet. Open shared object file. Something to DL open in Rust? I think that's what we're trying to do. I'm trying to do it slightly differently though, be free to. I want to do it at compile time. I had this working before at runtime, but I would like to do it in a way. Open Python, import ctypes, ctypes.cdll. What did I call this one again? Syntax highlighter. Yeah. Languages, libraries, libgo.so. Did I just do it again? Can I not type the word types? Okay. Hold up. Rust and C, then go now Python. My head's about to explode. This is just the average daily experience you get on the stream, you know? It's like, you guys, you live life. You're just looking around at life. But when I look around, this is what I see. That's what I see. Just every time I'm looking around me. I need a few more effects, guys, because I'm just so happy that I got this to work. But I think you would either DL open it or use static linking. I don't know. I don't know anything, Befriedel. I'm a Lua scrub, okay? That's all I know. That's all I know. Ugh. Hello, is this where we rust hard? Yes. This is where we are the rustations. What was Aaron Rust again? We get that this cannot load the shared library. It doesn't know where libgo.so is, even though don't I have this? Languages, libraries. I do still have this. Okay. Libgo.so. Pass the executable in LDD. Set LD path or something in cargo run. LD library. You need to use R path. Okay, well now we've got 7 different suggestions, chat. Or LD library path as a temporary solution. I mean, add that to LD library path. Echo LD library path. I don't have it set at all. Do I need to do something? Can I put it in cargo tomal? Oh, I didn't spell languages right. That's probably a problem. Okay. This is at a runtime. Or, I mean, add that to... Yes, dynamic linking is messy. Wait, so I just do this. XD library path equals languages, libraries. Wait, but this is exactly the opposite of what I wanted to do. Well, this worked though, chat, so that's pretty cool, by the way. Everyone give yourselves a... Wow! Yeah, you all deserve a wow for that one. Okay, good. Just link statically. Has anyone made a kind of rusty pun yet? No, you're the first one. You're the first one. Yes. But it is a good one, though. It's still a classic, though. You can make it as many times as you want. I won't be upset. In case you guys didn't know, all I do on Twitter is make Rust puns. I mean, this is just Rust puns about Rust puns at this point. I mean, I'm just doing Rust puns here. I bet he's thinking about other. I wonder if people will laugh at my Rust memes. Then, of course, she catches on. I bet he's thinking about another Rust meme. The answer is yes. That's just my life, you know. Rust effects dash link dash arg. Okay. Where can I read about what that means, Katie? Or I guess we can put it in first, and then we can talk about it, see if it works. Something like this when building the tree sitter library. Okay. Rust C flags. Don't I have to put cargo in front of it still? Rust C flags. Yes. Cargo this. Dash C. Link args. Dash WL. Dash R path. Okay. Thank you. Consider wrestling test. The project is depending on which C, which is built by build.rs. For examples of work shared needs to be in the linker path. Yep, that's the problem we just had. Into the consuming binary. Okay, in this case, the example or test binary. Whilst the example we fix using this, the same file doesn't be true of test. Another thing that bothers me about using link args is that it assumes that the path is known. Typically, that's the thing that only the build script would know. Cargo build scripts already have rustc-link lib when linking. Okay. Or change the dilib to static in the link lib directory. Is that really all I have to do? Dilib. All right, we'll try it out. Perhaps a dash L. Could not find a static library go. But then don't I have to compile it differently? Right now it's built as a linked library. RPath is the standard way to tell the operating system where to search for dynamic libraries. RPath is the standard way to tell the operating system where to search for dynamic libraries. The alternative is LD library path. Okay. Yep. Quad stew. So, did I bring down my tablet today? I did. Maybe I should draw it out. I don't know. Basically, here's the situation. Bunch of tree sitter, grammar repos. Wanna build them. Can generate .so for each repo. Want to, I don't know what the right word. Link, embed, have, use, do something with go.so, for example. Right? Okay, so now I got a parser. Want to make sure that I just want to not have to do stuff at runtime to make sure good. I don't know. Does that make sense? I think that's what we're working on. But I'm also I'm okay if we can't get there for that. I just don't know anything about what I'm doing. Okay. This is the magic land of compilers where I just paste stuff until when I was writing C stuff, it worked. Or in Rust, where I just hoped that someone else already built a build.rs I could copy pasta. Okay. Right. That's pretty much where I was at before today. So we're trying to figure out how to do that, right? Why not have more general interface whereby operating mess? Well, this makes sense. Rust flags or cargo Rust C. This seems like a bunch of stuff that's not helpful. What did people think of this? Do I literally just leave it as ... Or do I need to put something here? I need to put the actual path, right? Customizing the RBAT dynamically. Yup. Libdir. Yep. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, that's what I figured. I can do this, right? And then can I put in library path? That's the one that has... Oh, no, that's not it. I need parser lib path. Parser lib path. Probably. Something like this, right? Whoops. I don't know. It's a string. We'll see if that works for now. Only -L and -L flags allowed in build script of syntax server. Blah, 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 blah. Interesting. Cargo build. So this doesn't work for either one, I'm assuming. Okay. Only -L and dash. You can just put the relative path to the library. Well, it doesn't seem to like that I used that at all. Oh, I wonder if I have too old of a Rust C in this project. Does this matter? I can move to a newer Rust toolchain here. Right now our toolchain's 1.5, but that was just because it was kind of old. Here, let's comment out this line. This part runs. So we're at a spot where it runs now. So then I need to I should get ignore these. I know the next one is to make money, and they made that way to be sold on the West. It's hard to require Westerners to understand the references. Indeed. Totally true, CodeDev. Indeed. I don't even understand what you said at all. Every situation, I want to use this. Like, I just want to use them. Yeah, CodeDev. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I carry the one. I can't help myself. I literally am addicted to putting that on the screen now, but I don't. No, you're good. Case in point, Western not understanding a reference. Exactly. You're good. No worries at all. It happens to the best of us. I mean, how many times have we seen the old classic :WQ show up in the chat? Should I try upgrading to a new version of this just in case? Let's just go ahead and do this, and I can jump back out here if we need to. Well, the latest is 8 now, right? I'll just see what happens here. Almost sent a password in chat a few weeks ago. Well, is it just like your... what is people's concern with sharing your... Do you have a link search native? Okay, we can try that. I was just going to see if... Okay. Well, you guys... I use a simple password for my local machine. Like, it's my desktop. I mean, it's not like... It's not even... What? Okay, here's my question. What is the concern if I leaked my sudo password for my local desktop? Anyone have reasonable reasonable concern for that? What is the concern? I've never understood that part. I'm sure there's some Linux thing. I just use one password for everything. Yeah, but I'm saying, like, if your IP is also leaked, it could be bad. But can't they, like, I don't have any port forwarding or anything to this. You know what I mean, Katie? Like you can't access this computer from outside of my router. I don't have port forwarding set up or anything. That's what I've always wondered. With the IP, you could DOS it. Is the password unique? Yeah, it's like I wouldn't use it for anything. I don't use it for anything else. Wait, but couldn't they do that without my pseudo password anyways? You know, I was wondering about my pseudo password. Guys, I have a minivan. It's my minivan outside the house. And it's a dope minivan. I freaking love minivans. If you don't have any port forwarding, probably not. The only other concern is one of your Neovan plugins brute force your password and uploads it. See, that would be a good Neovan plugin. Well, mine's more like, it's kind of like a carbon gray. It's like a carbon gray. But seriously though, chat, why do people think that minivans aren't cool? My minivan's dope. Rusty Link, search, scratch, languages,
join us each week as we
libraries.
explore our roots in progressive, chill out, and beyond.
No, I already have that. I already have that part.
So get ready.
Try Rusty Link dash search with a path to the library. Do I need to do an absolute path?
Vintage and Morelli.
TJ DeVries, sourcegraph.git, syntax, R1.
It is a true honor to be able to
Well,
continue this amazing show under the new
will this just like mess it up
umbrella.
bad?
And since I've been a big part of self music for almost a
Docker
decade now, I'll be
images. Man, there's a
showcasing
lot
some
of
my
it goes
earlier work as well as
syntax
some of the newer
highlighter.
and
There we go.
upcoming
Okay.
releases. For those of you who are not familiar with me, this is a great way
Oh,
for you to
skip.
get to know me a little bit better.
I hate this.
You'll be
Well,
hearing
I
a lot
wish I
of
could.
awesome
This is
new
the
and
only
novel
thing I don't
classic
like about
records
listening to
from the
Monster
likes of
Cat.
myself and our
Is I can't like say never play a song. Try with the path to the library, not the path to the folder in the library. Okay. We'll add libgo since we've been saying libgo for other stuff. I guess I could also just say it doesn't hurt to do both of these, I think, right? I don't know. Unset LD library path. Okay, so if I don't have LD library path, we're dead in the water. I have a Honda Odyssey. It is dope. It's not the Odyssey. I've got a Chrysler Pacifica. Plug hybrid, chat. It's awesome. Feels so dope plugging your car into the wall when you get home. Oh my goodness. What's up, Temporus? Oh, I did want to see if, will it let me compile if we do this now? -L and -L flags are allowed in the build, of syntax server. -C link -arg equals -WL R path. So it doesn't like that part at all. We'll watch something related with your keyboard. You can find that you can use C to control your keyboard. Any video? Yeah, it's just called QMK firmware. Probably this. So, I don't have any videos of it, but QMK firmware is a really popular framework for keyboards. Tons of keyboards support it. Tons of keyboards support it. You made me a promise ring? It's finding lib.go s. Oh, here, right. Yes, it is. It is actually. Oh, that's a good point. But the weird thing. Okay, so what if I do this? Unset this again. Can I do this? Target, debug, else if snapshot. So now it can't do it though. So it's still based on LD library path. Remove the relative one. Okay, yeah. We'll just, here, let's close out a few of these so I'm not so confused. Search native. Okay, we don't need this one. I don't think this one's good at all. Been following you since a long time. Awesome. Hey, thanks, Caruso. Caruso. Remove this one. Okay. Should I still have it be like this? Let's try this for a sec. Oh, right. That one, it doesn't like that one. Cannot find shared object file. Okay. Cannot find -L go. Interesting. So when I do this, it compiles. Print line cargo C Rust link search. Outdoor. Let me check again which one is outdoor. I'm pretty sure that's library path here. Join. So this is language. Oh, parser lib path. Parser lib path, I think. Right. I do this. It doesn't even like that. Path buff? I don't even understand. Why? Still needs to be loaded. Right. That's necessary to build. I like how... Have you guys ever noticed that whenever the Rust book talks about C and C++, they talk like they're just so sad. I think it's so funny. Sometimes it's necessary to build some native C or C++ code as part of the package. So I just love the way they talk about it. It's sometimes bad things happen to good people. It's literally the way this sentence reads. To do a manual with dopen, then you could, for example, load all .so files in a directory. I recently had some harassment with the rest of the and I moved it to Go and C. Interesting. Okay, so maybe we should just stop for a second before we get too far here. We're playing with this. What I really want to do, here's what I really want to do. I would like to have... is there a way... So perhaps what I need to do is, instead of compiling this as a shared library, I need to compile it as a static library or something. I really don't fully understand what's happening there. I'll just be upfront. Just because you want to add a new tree. Yeah, I don't mind rebuilding it just to add a new tree setter library. That doesn't bother me at all. And compile it as a regular library. Okay, so because what I want to do, here's what I want to do. I want this executable to basically then remove the shared -I and I think FBIC. There are some libraries you can't compile as static though. Interesting. Okay, maybe we will encounter that then. So, are you saying if I remove these two things? Build language, go build unnamed parent, unwrap. Sourcegraph should be paying us at this point. Yeah. Remove shared, and then it should generate a go.ar file. Okay, we should, let's get rid of libgo as well. Chat development fund. True. So it doesn't super seem like, maybe it doesn't like that very much. We can just try compiling this ourselves though. So let's just go ahead and go into languages, parsers, tree, sitter, go, right? So we're inside of here. So what we can try and do, right, is we can just try and actually build this ourselves and see if that works. It only has parser.c, so that's good. That makes it easier. -o. Go.ar, I guess. -I, source, right? Header path. What is -g? Parser.c, where is that even? -xc, whoops. Source parser.c? I don't know. I'll find a reference to main. So maybe this is where we're, maybe go.a is more common convention. Okay. I don't know if it super matters for this. So it can't find main. Okay, sure. Is this, maybe this is why? G is debug symbols. Okay. -I. Did we include header path? ls source. So we should have source tree sitter. Parser.h. I'm not sure that we included that yet. -g-ggdb. I don't know if you're trolling me. I'm just trying to compile this. cc-o. So it's like, okay, don't have any input files, right? That's what I figured. So let's just read through how this is getting compiled before. That A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Smart. Maybe we should check tree sitter to see if it's possible. CC, okay. CC -c-o go.o. Whoa! What did we do again? NM? Can I do that? It doesn't have any symbols. Oh, do I need to do this? How can I check this? AR, RC. What? I need to run this? What is AR? So you guys are all geniuses. AR, RC, libgo.a, go.o. Can I do this thing again? I don't know what that is. Let's just move this. GCC- I think you can compile it as an object file and then archive it using AR. So that's just what Connie is suggesting as well, right? AR cruise lib go.a go.o. Monitoring Norton's D is the default. CU. Yeah, of course. Use actual timestamps. What is U? What do we saw there newer? Okay, we don't need that. Right? AR stands for archive. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, of course. I knew that, of course. Huh. Okay, so now I do have this libgo.a file. I do have it. How can I check if it's good, chat? How about run make from build.rs is simple, then reproduce the build? Because the make file doesn't do what you think it's going to do. It just does other stuff that may or may not be what you want. It's not guaranteed that every single one has a make. nm-d libgo.a. Hot diggity dog. Tree sitter go right there. Wait, no. Oh, I did the wrong thing. nm-d libgo.a. It doesn't know what this one is, but it knows the first one. Go.o. Wait, no, it doesn't. How did it do this before? How did I just get this? So this isn't guaranteed to do like what it would in a normal project because of what tree sitter things are. I don't control the make files of these projects. Got it from an object file. -d is for dynamic. nm libgo.a. Ooh. NM stands for what? So I can remember this. Chat 500, chat maybe even 5,000 IQ. Yeah, but why is it called NM? Okay, so it seems to still know. I don't have the... Are you a beanie? Of course. Of course, of course. Yeah, why is it called NM, though? That's what I was wondering. I understand AR for archive. Okay. Sure. Sure. I was just trying to figure out what NM is. Names? In new brain objects M. Rust C link static now. Let's just copy this for a sec. libgo.a. Let's just put this right here right now so it doesn't get deleted. Symbol table. Name mangling. Oh, okay, nice. All right, I can remember that. I can remember that. Okay, so for right now, we actually aren't even going to do this thing at all, right? So let's just go to where we have build library. Okay, and we've got actually instead build dir. I actually don't want to do any of these, right? So maybe I can just do this. If false, do all of this. Otherwise, this is where I just want to do this basically. Cargo, right? I do cargo. That's how I say things. Okay. Rust C link lib equals static. Let's just see if we can do this, right? Where'd this go? Rust C link lib kind equals name static, and then can I just say static equals go like this maybe? Okay. KD, I'm on the same page as you right now. Okay. Whoops. Wait, where am I right now? Okay, there we go. Let's just move languages lib go to right here so that I've got it right here. So I've got libgo.a right here. If I do cargo build, could not find go. Perhaps a -L flag is missing. Okay, so I need to add probably my current directory as a place to search for something. So link search kind equals path. So can I say static equals dot? Something like this, right? I'm just putting it in the current directory right now. I'm not actually building anything. I just literally copied it over. Not. Ada should still be fine. Wait, what? What was? I didn't even read the error. Dilib framework or static. Okay, that didn't. Toggle Rusty dash link search. Use native for search. Native. Okay. Fog crazy, chat. Fog crazy. Wow. Wow, chat. First try. Did anyone bet for first try? Dang. We could have put... all the first try believers would have won right there. First try. Oh my goodness. So easy. So easy, guys. Pretty sure the same thing would work if we need dynamic linking, though. Oh, okay. Interesting, KD. And finally, try LDD, target, debug, else if snapshot. So it shouldn't have this because there's no linked libraries. It's inside of the, or it's like it's statically linked is what I mean to say. So that's good, right? Since we don't see libgo here, that's a good sign. Moving the .so to the current folder and using the current folder as native search would result. Moving the .so to the current folder as a native search would result in the same thing. But don't I need it to be built as static though? If I want it to result in this behavior where it's not linking, I think I need it to be built statically, right? So now if I move libgo, so now I have trees that are go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I've got the name of this song. This song is I'll Go by Park Avenue and Direct. Wait, large binary. Okay, we'll compile your trees as updates. This is like, that is exactly what I'm okay with, KD. That is exactly what I'm okay with. This is already inside of a Docker image, so who cares? I'm pretty sure, like, it's already in Docker. I just like having it so that I'm concerned. Is there a sourcegraph integration for NeoVim? Kind of, Teddy. There's a work in progress one that I've done, but it can do some very cool things. Someday we'll get back to it, I'm sure. It needs a lot of work still. It needs a lot of work. But you can actually, there's a few clips and stuff that you can see of where we were at least a little bit ago. Yeah. Okay. So now we need to figure out how to do this. Is Rust good time investment for future opportunities? It's 100% up to you. There's so many things that are good investments if you're passionate about it in particular and you use it to become good at it. For example, PHP 5 can be a good time investment for future work opportunities. Connie, think about this. After you graduate, you're going to be one of the few people on Earth who can fix PHP 5 things. You could do that and make a bunch of money. Is there an easy way to see the current path? Current file in the echo expand %:p. Use CC for compile. Yes. Yep. Yeah, we've got, I actually do have some of that already sort of happening, but we're going to do it better now as well because we copy pasted it from someone else. So yes, I think we can do basically like this. Yeah, which is nice because this lets you do some stuff a lot easier. So I think we can do similar to this idea. Cobalt, big money. That's exactly what I'm saying. Stu's got it right here. Stu's got it right. So it's up to you. Do you like Rust? Do you enjoy solving the kind of problems that Rust is good at? And it could be a good time investment for you. If you don't enjoy those things, definitely don't learn it, because then you'll have a bad time and be very sad. Be very sad. Okay. So here's the question. Now we need to figure out how we can build this and do the stuff that we just did. Is it possible to do this without AR? Are we thinking I can do this with Go.0 or no? I have 10 was here in C++, but sometimes get demotivated. Situation or new features like range race for loop can be unsafe with references. See, then if you have a lot of experience with C++ and you are frustrated with it, then you would probably be way better at Rust than I am in like 5 days. Let's continue the discussion. What about Golang? Yeah, of course. Golang's really good for learning and making money. And it's easier to learn. Okay, let's see how far we can get here, eh? So now if this happens, it's like, hey, I can't find this static library, go. It's important to remember that Rust is not only good for blockchain scams. True. Golang is very good for web backend. Yeah, I think so. I like working in Golang to work with other people. Scams. Yeah, rip. Nice work, mouse. Okay, this. We can't even do this. Panic. I don't know how to make Windows work good. Okay. We'll leave that for now. I'm not worried about that. And it doesn't matter. We don't have to run this on Windows. Did you been watching Dragonflight? I watched season 1 a while ago. I didn't watch season 2 yet, but I did watch Arcane. I thought Arcane was pretty dope. Windows in 2022 CAC W. Got him. Okay. All right, chat. Time for some big brain thoughts here. Let's figure out how to do this. I don't even want these. We're not even going to do this at all. Dylib extension. Const dylib extension. Okay. Let grammar path. I don't think we need this. Okay. Source path. So what gets passed here? Build library gets passed, and this will be something like source. Okay, this source path as in source inside of the language itself. Beautiful. Do you see anything? Do you use anything for code actions? Like yes. Yep, I do. I don't know if you mean do I use anything for it though. Like yes, I use it. Like this will say, I don't know what result is, and then I can import this with code actions. All right. Parser scanner. Scanner.extension CC. Okay, right. Yeah, this part's kind of annoying, but this is just getting the scanner path. Let's just put a... some path. Oops.
Ember says Davis_7 is a good human.
Indeed, Telescope does have a built-in function for that. Whoops, option. Oh, that's not how you write that code. Oops. Oh, is it not actually a path? Path buff. Okay. Oh, can't I just do this? I meant to do this. Okay. There's a good chance I dropped that built-in. Yeah, agreed. Oh my goodness, a brand new Twitch Prime? A brand new Twitch Prime. What's up? Hey, thank you. LSB Saga, I think, is it? I thought I wasn't getting any updates anymore. Hey, thanks for the Twitch Prime, though. Seriously, it's very kind of you. I appreciate it. So, languages, libraries. Okay. Let mute library path. Can I just do .set extension here? Then can I remove this? Okay. Oh, what does this return? Bool? Oh, that's annoying. Whatever. Is it annoying to do something like this? Yeah, it is annoying. Okay, whatever. Needs recompile. I don't even want to do this. Can't I just do, can't I use cargo to do this? Yeah, I agree, Connie. Rerun if changed. Parser path dot as path dot to stir, I guess. I don't know. Is there any way to... Oh, can I do this maybe? Do I really have to say like to stir dot unwrap for this to get this to print out? That seems kind of annoying. Am I missing something obvious here? Like, how do I easily print off what a path buff has? Parser path dot yields the underlying OS stir slice. Can I say this? Parser dot path dot display. Oh, return the object into display. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Okay, wonderful. So I should be able to do this. If let sum scanner path dot display. Oh, whoops. Scanner. Right? Oh, can I do this? Okay. I think this would work, right? I don't think I needs to recompile. Yeah, where is... Not this one. Rerun if changed. Version that aim to replace other walls when there's these tasks, but it does integrate with them with custom build scripts. Placing a file named build.rs. Yup, okay. Tell Cargo that if the given file changes, rerun this build script. Use the CC crate to build a file and statically link it. Is this all? What? Is this what I need to write? false. Okay. This part just won't happen. Is it that simple? I don't know. We learned a lot of new things though today, so let's see what happens. So, let's just comment all this part out here, right? Config.cpp. We can set this to true. Okay, that's fine. Actually, let's just do it like this. Okay. So then can I say dot file, add a file which will be compiled. File. Parser path. Dot. If let some scanner. I guess we might as well just do this inside here. Now we'll do it over here as well. Config.file scanner. What does this return? This also returns config equals this. Can I still do this? Okay. What happens if I do just config.compiler? There's no way this part's going to work. Run the compiler generating the file output. Compile. I guess language. Name output panics. Panics output is not formatted correctly or if one on blah 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 blah. Because he handles all of the linking business. Honestly, let's just oops. Let's just comment all this out too. I'm just gonna delete this Windows stuff. I'm not gonna worry about that at all. Okay. I need to do this. Does this does it modify it in place? Can I just do this? I guess we'll find out. Could not find native static library Go. Oh, did I should change this. I don't need these anymore. Maybe. Okay, sweet. So this errors, but that's good. Undefined reference to tree sitter Go. Sure. Sure, that seems fine. Some native libraries or have their path specified. Use the -al flag to specify these lines. Use Rust C link lib. It's fine. I mean, it's fine. No, it's totally fine. Nothing to worry about here. Of course. Yeah, of course. Okay, I don't know what happens here though when I run this. I don't know what's going on here. I'm pretty certain, like, for example, I probably need to say something like config.include. I would assume I need to do this and say something like header path. Because otherwise, how is it going to build? I just build this. It's weird that I can build the lib though. Like, how can I build the lib without having I guess it doesn't try and link it until it's later. What was compiled? Let's peek. I'm gonna find a reference tree to Go. How can I check? Build? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Rerun if changed. Sure. Use the C secret. Where did you compile the Go library? I don't know. I thought what I was doing was putting it in language. So I thought I would get like something with go here. But I don't know. Are you looking for colors? Commands, add theme, see colors. So I don't know where it puts it when I just say compile. CC build new, okay? Outputs of the build script. Build scripts. Rerun if changed. Rerun if env changed. Link arg bin, link arg lib. I feel like I probably still need to do something with the actual lib itself, right? Like. Oh, hi, puppy. What's the problem? What's the problem, puppy? Because this doesn't seem like it's enough. You know what I mean? Because what were we doing before? Okay, so we included this. Yup. We said output. This should be the library path. I guess we can just put library path here. See what happens. I don't know. We can. I gotta think about this. I thought what would happen here is I would get something that gets built here. What's up? Okay. Hi, puppy. What's up, good girl? You gonna say hi? Here, Ember. Come here. Come here. And then we'll go out, okay? Come on. Say hi to chat. Huh? Good girl. Alright, you gotta give me a kiss, and then we'll go. Come on. Give me a kiss. Come on. Oh, come on. Come here. Up. Good girl. Alright, I'll be right back. Gotta go help doggo.
Faint lights in the distance, the thin line that separates your shadows from from my soul as these walls begin to fall. Head lost in the silence, cold stars illuminate the secrets on your tongue and the poison in my lungs.
Share, stream, plug, slide. Okay. I have no idea how to check if this is even running. You know what I mean?
Where every passage ends, a new road begins. The further I descend,
So I should hopefully see a wow, 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 wow up here. I'm assuming. Do I not see wow, 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 wow? Or does it swallow all of this? Do I need to e-print line it? Let's just only try and build one of these. How can I know if this is even running, this thing?
blind eyes in the darkness.
Oh, shoot. You know what?
Hands reaching out, sword echoes in the smoke.
Nothing to see here, chat.
Find me close.
Nothing to see here.
No cure for the madness.
Oh, shoot.
Tangled in the fear of
Definitely didn't just comment, didn't just if false at all earlier.
fading light.
Okay. I don't think I actually want to do any of this anyways. I don't think we want to do this thread pool stuffs. I think I would rather just build these sequentially. I don't really care if it takes a little bit longer to finish. Because I'll only rebuild. For right now, let's just comment these out. And let's just comment this out. Comment this out. Comment this out. Comment this out. And comment this out. Okay. We'll probably just delete all those. Sweet. Oh, hey, look at this. Oh. Oh, look at this. See, it tried to do it as shared. How do I tell it not to do that? Do I need to say don't do this? Builder. Config.shared. Shared flag. False. Okay. I wish it didn't print 10,000 of these. I feel like this is epilepsy warning. Failed to run this command. Build language go. We're gonna change this. Target is this. Host is this. Okay, I feel like we're getting kind of closer though. Right? I feel like we're getting kind of closer. What else did we do before? This probably isn't the worst idea. Command nuke. Okay, so we got this. We have a dash O. I don't think that's a problem. Dash I, so that's the include. Arg app, no exceptions. Dash XC. If all Unix not target macOS. Dash WL dash Z dash rel. I don't know. I have no idea what that means. This may be the problem though. Dash XC parser path. Do we use parser path anymore? So I add this file. I'm assuming so do we have a dash XC down here? No, we have dash C. What is the difference between I don't know what XC means. Dash X. Specify the language. Ah, okay. Does that even matter? For my case, I feel like it shouldn't matter. I guess one other thing we could try is we could go inside of here again. Languages, parser, tree sitter, go. We ran cc this, right? Cc. What did we run recently? We ran this. cc-o. I should be able to just say probably this, and that should work. Okay, so that makes sense. So this gets me go.o. Okay, now I have go.o. Go.o. Go dot, wrong language, chat. Nice try. Nice try. Even though it's pronounced Godot. But how would I know that? Go.o.o. If config all of the Unix and not targeting dash WL relro. Like, what is this? Config.w link, maybe? CPD link standard lib. That's probably not what I want. Config dot. How long takes to compile the biggest Go project at your job? I don't know. It doesn't take super long. I don't know. I've never measured it. There's a bunch of other stuff that has to build at the same time, so it's kind of like add a file which will be compiled. Files. Add files which will be compiled. Define. Oh yeah, we may as well do true here as well. I don't know if that is 100% right or not, but we want those config.symbols. That's probably what we're doing there. Cargo build. Still not gonna work, obviously. Okay, so F data sections, FPIC. I thought I said don't do this though. Oh, this says .o is here. I don't want to do that. Why is it doing parser.o there? I thought that's what compile. Run the compiler, generating the file output. If language not equal go, return okay. Right now, that's all I want to do. Always compile the objects first and then link them. Ah, that's just the intermediate. Doesn't take much time. 100. Yeah, I mean, I don't have 128 cores, but I do have quite a bit of on here. So -o. Okay, so we should be getting this out. /parser. Do I get anything in here? Do I need out? Okay. Oh, that's not even. Okay, that's not even here. -c. Huh, that seems kind of weird because I would almost think that would work. I don't know if this is because I've got, we could just try and do this, right? Languages, parsers, tree sitter, go, source. Dash C, languages, parsers, tree sitter, go, source, parser.c. Dash O, out. Go.o. Wonder if this will work if I change this to CC or something. Maybe that's the problem. It's some dumb thing I have with SC cache set over my computer. So I was trying to do something with I don't use i3. Oh, so I'm using C++. Maybe I don't want to do that. Oh! It was the C++ shenanigans. Deshabanavish, hello. I actually use awesome WM, Wesley MP. Did this just work? Only use C++ for the scanner.cc file. How can I now check? I can do what? This again? Yeah, chat. Ha! Oh, baby. So we can change that here and change it to language. Do this. We can do this. We can maybe delete this then. Huh? So if we do this again, we should hopefully get this to work. Okay. So now, next up, chat, is let's see if we can, if this will just magically work. I don't know if I can put these inside of the same thing. Well, let's see if we can do this. I don't know what's going to happen here. Why isn't this formatting? What the heck? First freaking try, chat. First try, for real. Two hours. Can sourcegraph be connected to GitLab? Yes. But will it halt? What? Okay, chat, that actually worked though? I can't believe it. That is so cool. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. Then I could do, can I do something like this? Mod langs. I don't even want you to be able to see these unsafe things. What is sourcegraph? It is my job. We make code search tools and many other code things. Oh, chat. How can I ignore these errors? I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this garbage. Alright, so I don't need any of this. Yep, we don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need this or this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We also can go to our cargo tommel. We don't need this anymore. Man. Do I even use this? Oh, I do actually do this. Do I actually need it though? This is what I use library path for now. Nothing. Parser lib path. Okay. I don't even think I need this. Oh my goodness. So this probably will be a problem here to do. This may be a problem if someone uses C++ here. If I am unfortunately cursed with having to build a C++ thing as defined by cargo book. Yeah, maybe it does. I don't know. Try with tree sitter Lua. Should we? I actually don't want to do that part yet, though. What are you building? We're building a highlighting tool that uses tree sitter so that our product Vim9j. You might as well use do comic.warnings false. Oh, nice. So we can get cooler highlights in here. Like right now, it's like, okay, yeah, I mean, you get some. You know, you get some. But we could do better than this. We're going to add tree sitter to this. This is for my job. I work at a company called sourcegraph. Why do I read the docs for you? True. Convict.warnings. False. Man, why would I ever write a make file again? Can I just compile all of my C projects with build.rs? Thoughts? Thoughts, chat? Do you know about pre-make? Build.zig. Yeah, actually, though, that is what I would... So, KD, that's actually one of the main reasons I think Beefrito wants to use Zig for NeoVim. Right, Lua with pre-make. Interesting. Compile your C projects. All right. I wonder if I even need to do this. Do you think I need to do this, Connie? Right, like, doesn't this figure this out from me adding a file? You would have thought so, right? I don't know. I was wondering if, like, it seems weird that you tell it here's a file and then you also tell it this, but that's okay. I'll allow it. I'll allow it. All right, so what else can we delete out of here? We don't need any of this. This goes just fine. Okay. Okay. I think you need to only if you're making changes to those files. I would disable debug though. Okay. Okay. Well, that looks good. How big will the final binary be with all of this? Oh, whoops. I just have debug right now, right? How big is this? Bytes, kilobytes, megabytes. But I don't think is how much of that is. I don't know how much of that is me versus not me. I don't know. What's the easiest way for me to check this? I could check what it was before. I mean, I guess there's at least 40 megabytes different just from having Rocket and stuff. I don't know what a normal thing even looks like for this. I guess we can get log. We can just go back to earlier. Docs, so we can go to here. Oops. Where is this? Okay. Well, it was already 95. So all of you guys worried about me doing stuff. I barely even changed it 10%. So basically on stream, all we do is we listen to mostly just Cloud None because I pay for this music and the artists make money from me by me actually paying Monster Cat, and I don't get DMCA'd or anything. I try and be a nice citizen of the internet, even if I don't have to be, chat. So, but it does end up being that every 10 minutes you hear some of the same songs. But that also makes me, I don't know. Maybe it just puts me in the zone more. Okay, so I basically did nothing though, chat. Right, because the difference is only basically 8 to 10 megabytes. So I'm totally fine. I don't care at all that it's big. Oh, Connie, you rascal. All right, while this is going, I'm going to see if I can figure out how to do some OBS transition things. See if it works. I should probably just duplicate this though before I mess it up. PC move commands. I'm probably going to just break OBS while I'm doing this, but we'll see what happens. Oh, maybe I didn't install it. Oh, I didn't install it yet. I'm such a noob. Never mind. We can still do this, though. There you go, chat. That's my best. Not 10 seconds anymore though. Okay, the end. Boom. Okay, bye, Connie. Thanks for hanging out. What was I even doing? Oh, yeah, right. We were comparing the sizes of these, and it's no big deal. Thanks for hanging, Connie. So 10 megs. It's totally fine. I mean, actually, I don't even think it makes a difference because they're going to be... I'm not shipping the executable anywhere separate necessarily. So, like... I don't know. I think it seems totally good on my end. Okay. So this just really works. I can't believe it, honestly. Very cool. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I don't have to do any of this anymore. Be gone. Is this really vibes back to elementary school that just learned PowerPoint? That do be true a little bit, doesn't it, Dagley? Okay, so we do need to actually fix a bug though. Because what we've got going on here, well, so let me show you what I did so far. So this little tool right here, bugs in Rust. That's my fault, obviously, not the language. This basically runs. It does sort of two things. Takes tree sitter, and generates our else if dump for highlights, which is in a new format. Doesn't really matter. That part's sort of separate for today. And it generates a dump that contains all of the information about how you should highlight a file. And then it prints off what the file looks like with the highlights applied, but just their names, basically, so that I can make sure that each one is getting highlighted appropriately. I added an injection inside, which lets me do something like this, const MySQL query. This is how we write all of our SQL queries within Golang sourcegraph. So I'm going to surprise some people when they turn this feature on. They're going to get SQL highlighting in their Go code. You know, they're just going to be a little bit surprised, which is kind of fun. But the problem is here, this whole thing is highlighted as string literal on sort of like the bottom edge, I guess. I don't know how to say this. It's been a great Vim adventure. Thanks, MV. What's up, buddy? 9 months of subbing. Crazy.
Just resubscribed for 9 months. It's been a great Vim adventure.
True. So I need to get rid of this string literal printing here. This is not good. You don't want this going on here. So we need to get rid of this. So that's what we need to fix next. Great message, Oscar.
Oscar Allen just resubscribed for 10 months. _
Awesome. Mog, have a good time, buddy. The only thing here that I can't figure out yet that I really want to change okay, so that's what we need to do, right? Is we basically need to is there any way that I can know what the current language is that we're highlighting in? Because it's a bit kind of goofy that I don't know. I don't know when we start and end an injection, which is kind of weird. I'd really like to be able to know when we... when we actually use this injection callback here. Injection callback. Sure, okay. So, intersect ranges. Do I not know... Callback. Do you have a source graph set about how much jQuery is still out there? That's probably you could search for that at least. I mean, I would imagine there's a decent amount of jQuery stuff that hasn't made it to Git repos that's still running in production, right? That would be my guess. Alright, so let me think about this. Injection for match. Let's remove this match so none of its other captures will remain in the stream of captures. Highlight iter layer, intersect range. Find a given name, then add a new language layer. Okay, sure. So we have this name, content, sure. We have some config for this language name. We're going to make a new highlighter layer, self.injection callback, language name. So what does this expect to get? This expects to get some highlight configuration. But how am I supposed to know when anything's been injected? True. Yeah, that's another good point, Envy. Because there's nothing about a particular layer, right? Highlight iter layer. Captures, config. Oh, I could, if I knew what the layers were. But I don't think I actually get the layers back to me, do I? This is just gonna do a bunch more stuff. Sort layers, sort layers, sort layers, sort layers. Next. Self item. Highlight event. That's kind of the bummer though. Not sure there's any way for me to check. So this is a bunch of highlight events, some iterator. We don't get to use this highlighter anymore. I wonder if I can pass this in. Oops. Let's do this. Let's say that this gets a this is just some highlighter, right? What is it actually called again? TS highlighter. Okay. will let me do that. It says can't borrow this as immutable. Also borrowed as mutable. Immutable borrow occurs here. Yeah, that's what I thought, because this takes some mutable reference to itself. Oh, what we really get is a highlight iter. Result impl iterator. Oh, because I don't actually know what type this is, I can't guarantee that this is actually highlight iter. Dang. Yeah, so I don't know anything about this thing, do I? Highlights dot. I can't ask what its layers is, even though I know that highlights is just a highlight iter. I bet this isn't even a public struct anyways. Dang. I was really hoping that it'd be nice to know that I'm inside of an injection. But I don't think that there's any way that I can know that or not. I mean, I could like just copy and paste this whole thing, of course, from Treaster highlight, and we could rewrite it for later. Can I know when I'm inside of a range that matches this? Maybe that's what I can do. If I can figure out what range I have, what ranges are which ranges are part of an injection, I could disable highlighting from... Oh, that's not going to work though. How do I know which highlights coming back are from which highlighter? The other option is we mark something as none. In the original highlights code. Those are the only things that I can think of that could do that. So basically, I'll show two examples here. You can probably just delete all of these, I think. I don't know which one of these is good. Alright. Does this one have constants? Yeah. Let's just delete this. Oops. Does this still work? Sweet. I think we're still, for some reason, we're still missing this. So I need to figure out why this isn't showing up here. Nothing seems to be getting highlighted right at this spot. So that's another thing we need to fix later, but that's okay. What I would really... So we've basically got these two scenarios right here, okay? I have an injection. Inside of this injection, I basically capture... I wonder if I can just like say none for the rest of this value. What happens if I say at none here? I don't think that this is going to do anything for me, really. Yeah. Because it's not part of the highlights code, so that's okay. Like, what I feel like I need to do then is I would put this like down here to match. And then I would say what I want to do is I want to change this to at, let's just say keyword for right now. I don't know if this will actually work. I'm wondering if I see, okay, what isn't like panicked at, unwrapped here. Oh, I'm missing consts back here. Okay. Nope. Okay, sweet. So this oh no, this still matches string literal. I'm wondering, do I have to put this before or after for this library? Okay, apparently in this, okay, so this is the opposite of NeoVims, which is a bit confusing. First match is the one that is applied, I think, which is kind of weird. Is it weird? I don't know if it's weird or if it's just because it's different. But it seems to me that first one that matches is applied. If I say none here, I don't know if that's going to do anything. Oh, okay, cool. So that actually does work, but I kind of hate it. I kind of hate it because this means I have to have these two things. I have to say ignore matches from injections, which I don't really like. Excalios, hello. I wonder if I need to put these before I put other stuff. I put this here. Oh, right. I can take this here. Put that there. I still don't match against this. Oh, that's not what we're doing anymore. Sorry. Commands, edits, today, working. I don't know. Title on tree sitter highlighting for source graph. Okay, there we go. All right, that one we can kill. That one we can kill. There we go. That's better. That's accurate.
Dota 2 Attitude just resubscribed for 9 months. Found Tej impersonator.
Do you think we look that similar? I don't think we look that similar. I don't know. Maybe it's because I forgot what I look like with short hair. I guess we do kind of look similar. All right. Ugh. Sorry, I got major hat hair right now, though, chat. Here, I'll do my best. Time to go NHL. I've got too many teeth for that, dude. Is this not it's weird because I thought this for sure would work. Call expression. Wonder if there's just a way that I can print the whole tree. I think there is. If we go back to actually tree, or let's go to our bin. Of snapshot. Okay, so we do this. Highlighter, highlight new, blah 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 blah. I don't think I don't even ever see the code that does this because this is the thing that parses it all. Can I just do parse? Highlighter parser. What if I just get the parser here? Right? Can I do lang config dot parse? I don't even remember what this is. All right, this is a highlight configuration, but this does, oh, it's language. Okay, so lang config dot language dot oh, this is a language. Okay, so can I do tree sitter parser? Parse? This is a language. Oh, right, I need to make a new parser. Let mute parser equals tree sitter parser. New. Parser, okay, and then I can do parser.setLanguage, lang config.language. I'll just unwrap this for now. So now can I do parser.parse? Parse a slice of UTF-8 text. Text code? What is old tree? I think nothing, right? None. What does this return? Option of tree. Okay, let tree is this. Tree dot, how can I print this? I'd like to just print this thing. Does tree implement, debug? I don't know. We can just try it. Okay, sure. See what happens. Live grep. I installed FD and rip grep is working so slow. Have you installed Telescope FZF native? Rockstrom? Tree.as to... Would think some regex would match a lot of stuff. Yeah, I don't know. It works pretty fast for me. I don't know. I mean, it depends how much you're searching and stuff and how fast your computer is and a bunch of other stuff, I would say. Mr. Bazzani, hello, hello. Oh, what? This isn't... Okay. Impl tree, impl format debug. Okay. I want to see the, like, S expression. Root node. So a node is a node. Does this have, E kind ID? Has changes, has error, is missing, and by range. Doesn't this have, no? Making it fast and simple, just buy a bigger computer. Easy, 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 easy. What's up, Dagley? That is how enterprise software works. All right, so I could have sworn that there was a way to get the S expression. Oh, there we go. What is this impl though? Is this for a node or for a tree? Ah, for a particular tree or particular node. Okay. Dot root node. Finish up a small project. Very cool. Okay, let's see if we can do this now. I should. Wonderful. Wonderful. Now I can see what this S expression is. Is there no way to like make this prettily formatted? What I expected to see though is at some point I expected to see selector expression, operand, identifier, field identifier. So let's go ahead and check our highlights, field identifier. Sorry, I'm just responding to Olaf. Wait, what? Oh, but I don't think that's I don't think that'll work for S expressions. It's okay, I can just read this and see, because I see selector expression, right? So this is inside of a call expression. It's got a function, then it's got a selector expression, and then it's got an operand identifier. Do I need to specify that? Field identifier. Should I really be saying operand? I think this I can say. Will this make a difference? Or do I need to say star? I don't remember if that busted, if that's the wrong version. Yeah, that's no longer the right thing anymore to say. I don't think I do this either. Yeah, because we're still not getting any highlights right on this wrap. See what I'm saying, chat? I expect to see right here some highlights, but there I got an identifier here and an identifier there. So I'm just trying to find anything that'll match this thing. So I was thinking, okay, call expression. Yep. We got a function. Okay, identifier. Or sorry, right here, call expression function. Selector expression. Operand. I mean, I guess I could say identifier here just to make sure that that's not what's causing the problem. Field identifier, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to highlight that as identifier. I've used question mark before. Where we're using question mark. Is it because I don't have arguments? Does that matter? Function. Should I put, we can try putting arguments here and then putting underscore here. I don't care about this match. I thought it was more forgiving than that though. I don't think it should matter. Is that a brand new sub? What's up, Murano? Hey, thanks, buddy. It's very nice of you. Arguments is actually outside of here anyways. Oops. Maybe I should just remove everything besides that in my test file, so it's easier to see. Temp test file.go. Let's just get rid of literally everything besides this. Doesn't even matter what's inside of here. Okay, so we get an identifier and that's all. Very weird. Call expression, function. So we've got, it sure looks like it should be able to match the field, right? What if I just add something here? Let's just try this. Field identifier at identifier. Let's see if this comes through then when we run this. Interesting. Really? Why wouldn't it do that, huh? Let's actually just drop all of these here. Oh, I wonder if that one precludes us from getting this one somehow. No? Okay, I thought for sure it was going to be field identifier, right? Field identifier. I see field identifier here. Oh, because it's always property? I thought it was first wins. What is the ordering for this? I don't understand. So the only place I ever see field identifier here, I suppose maybe it's an error and maybe it's an error in my printing code. Seems weird that it would do that though. Everywhere else I can get multiple. Well, the sub is canceled. I have Dutch account, but I'm municipal. No worries. Some other time. You can still spam all the BTTV emotes to your heart's desire. So this, I really do want to track this part down though, because it's weird that I'm not matching this at all. Except for that one. You're not allowed to spam that one. That one's evil. Okay, here's an idea. Okay, so somehow it doesn't find field identifier at all. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. How can it not be matching this? Right, chat? Do you guys see what I'm saying? Identifier. I do have just... Oh my goodness, am I just being dumb? Oh, please don't tell me that I just had this. I didn't have identifier. They have emotes but no sub badges. Yeah, that's on me. It's hard to put all that stuff together, man. Property. What if I just change this to be constant? Because I know constant works other places. Oh no. So something wrong here. Oh, dang, I already got property here. Okay. So we can put this as identifier for right now. Oh, so is it just something stupid? I guess I never had anything down specifically for just identifiers straight up. Oops. We can just put this in here. Sweet. Okay, so we could call this something else if we wanted to. I don't know what we would call it. But, okay. I have 2 crab dances worth of points. Nice. It's where we play Crab Rave and then everyone dances. But it's only once per day. Sorry. Okay, cool. So that works great. And now we've got identifier here, and we could do more with this if we needed to. I just haven't actually done that yet. Okay. Connie already claimed it today. Sorry, buddy. Also, I think this is actually working. Oh my goodness. Dang, that is so stinking cool. So now the question is, can we do this for a really big file? Source graph. Yes, we can. Awesome. I actually don't want to do this at all. This should go quick. Beautiful.
Ember says Mirano Fox is a good
Oh. Part 2? Attempt number 2 at subbing. Thanks, buddy. Use your Istanbul. Yeah. Did you make the angry Twitch people? Just works. Alright, so this is so stinking cool. So, let me just explain a little bit more what's happening here. Yeah, I love these. Oh, we're not highlighting these. We probably want to highlight those at some point. That's okay, though. We have this Rust service that was running Syntech before, which is a good highlighting service, but it has some sort of problems that I didn't really love. We wanted to include tree sitter and a few things. Now this can take tree sitter stuff. So basically, you send a request to this server, cargo run bin Syntech server. This server will parse the codes and send you back an encoded message, very sneaky, in this protobuf format that we've been building that can replicate a lot of LSIF. Those of you who've been following around for a while know that we've been doing that, but it's a graph thing and it's terrible and bad in a lot of other ways. So this way makes it so that we can actually encode this. Got a bunch of syntax kinds inside of here, which lets me say what each type of like item is in the source code, and I'll send back this encoded payload, and then the front end is going to apply those pictures or those encodings. And then I wanted to show you this picture. Sorry, I know I can't do anything about it. It's a picture. I don't use the light mode. It's from my buddy, and it will apply the highlights inside of here from the stuff that we've gotten from ELSIF. I know. Sorry. But, so it's going to do all of that, which lets us apply these basically tree sitter highlights for sourcegraph. So we'll be able to do this like really soon. And anytime we wanted to add a new language, we can just basically, we just go add a new language to sourcegraph, add a new language to this image, bada boom, bada bing. We're all set. So very cool. I do need to leave myself a to-do here. Is Rust easy to learn coming from Pi? You gotta read the book, probably. When I say the book, I mean this programming in Rust book. If you don't read at least the first half of this, you'll have a really sad time starting, in my opinion. I really need to get a referral code for that book. Do you think that's possible? Does O'Reilly do referral books? Didn't notice it before, but your clothes are green. They are a little bit today. That book is a must read for Rust, in my opinion. How's that book compared to the official ones? I thought the official one was basically like based on it or something. I'm still confused about that whole situation. To do. We should automatically apply no highlights when we are an injected piece of code. Unfortunately, that information isn't currently available when we are iterating in the highlighter. So I'm not actually 100% sure exactly how it compares or anything, but yeah. Oh, all right. So the other thing we need to do is okay, chat. Hey, chat. What's up, YouTube? It's episode 3 of Tuesday. Yep. Oh. We're getting closer, chat. Woo. We're getting fake news. Yeah, prove it, TJ. What? Well, no, so it's not going to be out tomorrow. This is just the very first draft that me and Flip did together. I haven't recorded the intro yet. So it's not, I'm sorry. But I will have another video out here shortly, which will be the video from me and Bash Bunny setting up NeoVim built-in LSP. And we'll have shortened, cut out a few things, other stuff like that, to make it really nice and worthwhile to watch, I think. So that one might actually end up coming out before this because Bash and I already did the demo. So, yeah. Anyway, so that's cool. But this isn't done yet. This is just our first draft, so we'll see. So it won't be tomorrow, though, sorry. But it's coming. I just want to show that I'm working on it. What would I say Rust is good for? It's good for high-performance back-end stuff with lots of pure functions. I don't know. That's what I would say. Oh, the other thing we needed to do, right. We need to do that later today. Is Toggle sent me this diff here. The diff. Save. Open this up. Open with set ft equals get diff. Is that what the file type is? Diff? Yeah. I don't remember what the file type itself actually is. The main feature of Rust is that you can always include it in discussion. True. True. Like this. The other important thing too is the more that you do with Rust, the more you'll be able to do tweets. And like tweets are important so that you can do stuff like this. Like that's the other main feature for Rust. would be Twitter clout. It's hard to say which one is better, the safety or the Twitter clout. Speaking of, I think we need another one. Guy pushing guy 2 buttons meme. Safety. Whoops. Twitter clout. Me trying to decide my favorite Rust feature. Right? This is good. Thoughts, chat? Ship it? Is this a ship it situation here? It feels ready to ship. Should we list a bunch more? The only question is, okay, so here's the only question. Do we put a bunch more things in here on the left side? Like, should we list everything? Like, should we say safety, robustness, safety, like performance, blazing fast? Or should we just do safety? You know what I'm saying? We need to... Oh, I can turn dark mode on for this website too. Sorry, chat. Do we do like a really, really long list on the left side? Because that's also kind of... It's like, what is Rust list as its... no, not this not the game. Sorry. Rust programming language. Less words, more impact. Performance, reliability, productivity. It's just... Okay, we'll just do this. Should I say that? Right? Should I put performance, reliability, productivity? I think that's what I need. I think this is the one. I'll just put safety. We'll just put safety. Otherwise which one, chat? Which one do we need to do? I don't know. We need to do a poll here. Can we get a poll going? I gotta open up dashboard for this. Let's get a poll. I'm gonna trust you with this, chat. Okay, let's see. New poll. Poll management, new poll. Left side. Safety or performance, reliability, productivity. Okay. 1 minute. You only have 1 minute to vote. Well, I might not choose what you choose, Chad, but I am interested in your thoughts. I'm kind of feeling safety. Oops, Kaylee just called me. I'm not saying I'm gonna do what you suggest, Chad. I'm just saying, like, hey, what's up? All right, well, safety looks like it's winning right now, and I don't think people are going to vote enough, so let's just go ahead and do this. Copy image, new tweet, tag people, Rust Lang, of course. Done. We need to add some alt text, of course, add description. A literal picture, we should say a picture of me when I try to decide what I enjoy most about the perfect language, Rust. It is too difficult to choose between safety and Twitter clout, although I lean towards clout, of course. By the way. Okay. Man, reading the source of Hamo going into Rabbit was so cool. You also quickly realize you were going to be from the issues faced full of factors to encounter a signal that I'm not in the right place yet. I like short jokes. Rustations at work. Is that an account that I can tag or something? Chat, of course I need your assistance. If you liked the tweet, of course, then you should like the tweet. Alright. Sorry, distraction. We're back. I do really like sourcegraph though. Cool company to work at. Oh, really? Can I do this? I didn't know that. Let's go ahead and go to cargo.taml. So I can remove this. We can add this. Thanks, toggle. Version equals this. Features equals derive. Well, that's cool. lib.rs. Toggle says I can just delete this. And all of these. Oh, but did he upgrade our... He didn't. How did he do that? Oh, he added... Oops. I think we need to quit out of here. Did I make a mistake inside here? Insert a JSON with features derive. Not sure this is gonna work. Let's see what he did though. What other changes did he make inside here? Use deserialize. Okay, so inside of lib here, we say Saturday deserialize. Okay, there's some stuff here. That's fine. I'm not gonna change that one. Yet another import. Yep, saw that part. With features derived, but Saturday JSON does not have these features. Oh, I put it on the wrong one. Whoops. That's why. My bad. Yeah, that'll definitely make Rust Analyzer hurt. That'll make it hurt real bad. That makes sense. Okay, so where did he use JSON? I can't see what's going on here. Alright, so no macro JSON in the scope. Alright. Which is in main. How did he get that to compile then without this? Huh? Tell me that, toggle bit. Oh, maybe I actually read compiler output. I can't. Oh yeah, there you go. Which one do you think? Probably Saturday JSON's the one that I want. What do you think? Oh, maybe it is Rocket Contrib. But that's not, I don't think that, whoops, I don't think that that's right, though. Does it have JSON as a... I don't think that that is correct. Let's try. So, consider importing one of these items. So that's what I tried to do, but it doesn't like that. So why am I not getting write diff.txt? Diff.diff? I don't know. Main. Import the macro. Yeah, I was trying to figure out where the macro was coming from. Like, why isn't Rust Analyzer telling me that this macro doesn't exist? You know what I mean? I don't know how to make it, use Rocket Contrib. Or maybe it's from Saturday? Okay. Added it now, but it's still not happy. Cannot find macro. I need to remove this stuff. Cannot find macro. It says that this is a macro to do this though, right? So I don't think I understand why that isn't working. Oh shoot, that's in a different file now. I'm just literally not even paying attention. It must be getting close to the time of the day where I need to go to bed. Not really go to bed, but I do probably need to probably be done soon. That's what I get for trying to do all. Okay, so wait. I just imported this JSON. Expected JSON value found, you know. So this is the wrong one. JSON value. How do I get this? Error message in art. Yeah, no, we're back now. We're back now. Why do I even return these JSON values? Let's use this one instead. I think if I do that, then I'm okay. I don't have to do the other ones. Beautiful. Okay. All right, so that makes sense. I just didn't think it could have been this one. Because that's actually not what I thought it was, but that's okay. Main. So let's actually change this to Rocket Contrib. Beautiful. What does this even do if I remove this? What about this one? What about this one? Okay, that's fine. All right, so can I do cargo run bin else if snapshot? Will this run again? Cool. Okay, so that was part of the diff. That was basically all this part here. Nice. Remove all this. Remove this. Remove this. I did all these. Okay, we can get back to those later. I'm not going to change that one for now. I got a bunch of comments that need to get deleted. That's totally fine. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, this part is a reasonable change. We could do this. I probably won't do it right now though, cause probably be done. Cause it's 4:30. Yeah, I probably got to be done soon so I can answer some emails and stuff, and then I got to get off and help Kayleen with dinner. Oh yeah, that part was nice. I do want to change this part, so let's go to SG Tree Sitter. Let's go to highlight event. I did like this. I thought this was pretty nice. And then we can do this. So this is I still don't know how much I love that one, but it's kind of cool that I can do this. Copy this. Beep 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 beep. Is empty. And then I can just remove this, remove this, put this here, put this here, put this here, put this here, I think, and then do that. I do like that. That part's pretty cool. Oh!
Subscribed for 19 months.
Prime, what's up, buddy? Prime, are you gonna stream right now? Cause I'm about to sign off. So if you nice bean. No, bummer. Bummer. Prime, you see me writing Rust for work right now? I'm writing Rust for work. Does that voice chatter work with cheers? I don't know. Only one way to find out. Got him. Prime, did you see my latest tweet? I think this is a good one. Oh, dang. We better go check stream elements. Here, Prime, here, you can look at this. You can look at this tweet and decide if you like this. Where are my overlays? Streamy tools, my overlays. Edit. Alert box. Settings. Follow alert. Tip alert. Cheer alert. Show cheer messages. Right, this is considered cheers, right? TTS settings. And enable text to speech. Yup. Enable tip event. Nope, cheer event. I don't know. I don't know if I just did it or not. Cheer. I think I just saved it. What? What? Minimum to show alerts? Probably 100. Otherwise people will spam, right? Alright, well I think it's on now. Okie dokie. I don't need this anymore. I don't need any of this code anymore. See you later. Dead code. Also, see you later, dead code here. And here. And here. Yeah, all of that's dead code now. Rip code. What's up? Cassie? Maybe? I don't know if that's how you say your name. Out after midnight. Beep. Nice. Oh, hey, Ember. Oh, okay, puppy. That's good. It's the perfect timing for us to be done anyways. It's perfect timing. Be done already. I'm gonna be done now. Let's find someone to raid. Bash is on. Well, let's just go raid Bash. Why am I even streaming? Oh, sorry, Cassie. I'm gonna be back tomorrow morning at probably 8 a.m. Eastern time. I'm not sure what we'll do. Maybe we'll start playing around with NVIM DAP. That's probably what we'll do. Prime, do you want to come on and do Take Tuesday collab? Should we collab it up? Should we dap on the haters? Can the maybe the intro of the video can just be us dapping a ton of times? Got things. Okay, well here, what about this, Prime? Think about this. What if I do NVIM DAP tomorrow and then I read all the documentation for you? And then next week or some other time we can record YouTube video off stream together. And I'll just tell you the things that you want to know. And so you can just skip the learning part and just go straight to the knowledge part. What if I just fly out to your house again and we live at the compound together? That's an option for later, I suppose. From when are you gonna fly out to my house, huh? That's what I want to know too. I have 4 kids. Yeah, so don't you want to come hang out at my house? I mean, not for like months, but maybe like a weekend, you know? Okay, bye.